Congratulations, you've realized that AI is taking over and you better learn some shit about it. So, in this video today, you're going to learn the single most important thing about AI and how you can capitalize on it, truly make some money from it. And even if you don't want to make any money from it, you can understand it just so when you're at a party with your friends and someone said something, you can say something even better. So, we start with a beginner's guide to the biggest opportunity hiding in plain sight. And the best part, there is no code required because the AI wave is so big right now. It replaces coding, yes, the things that people trained for absolute years on. It replaces the need for it. So, this is, ladies and gentlemen, how I wish someone explained AI agents to me when I first started, when I was staring at a blank screen. This is the video I wish I had. So, welcome. First, we need to understand that the golden window, excuse me, is open right now. So, envision this, close your eyes. It's 2 in the morning. Somewhere right now, a business is closing deals, answering emails, posting on Instagram, and booking calls all at the same time with no employees on the clock, just a tiny invisible worker humming along in the background. And that worker, my friends, is an AI agent. So, why is this different? I know you've heard it before. Every few years, every few months, there's a new thing that's going to change everything. Web3, the metaverse, NFTs. Do you remember those? Yeah. This is different because AI agents aren't a product. They're an infrastructure. Think of them as the plumbing underneath modern businesses. And the pattern is clear. If you don't believe me, believe the data, please. Because the people who learned to build websites in 2005, while everyone else was still printing flyers, they were the ones eating. They were the same people who had the buffets on their table and big full bellies. The people who mastered Facebook ads in 2012 before every business jumped on, they were eating. Hormozy said it best, and this isn't verbatim, this is just from the books I've read or the podcast. I forget where I got it from, but he said it where he said he was very fortunate to jump on Facebook at the time he did. He was one of the first people, well, not the first, but one of the first people, I will say again, to fully utilize Facebook ads, and that filled up his gyms, filled up his business, and filled up his pockets. So, this is that moment right now for AI agents. The window is genuinely open, and windows like this tend to have a habit of closing faster than you expect. So, what is an AI agent? Okay, so delete your mind of everything you've heard about it before. Every complicated definition you've ever heard, forget it. Here's all you need. An AI agent is like hiring an employee, except this employee has a perfect photographic memory, follows your instructions to the letter every single time, works 24/7, and costs a fraction of what a human would. So, I know, sounds incredible, doesn't it? Let's go with the perfect memory first. How this works, why this works in a very concise way is you feed it your company details, all your clients' profiles, and your tone of voice. It recalls everything perfectly every single time, all from that one input, the one time. Now, exact instructions. It has no drifting, no cutting corners, because I know we all cut corners every now and then. We've all been there. I think it was Bill Gates that said, if you want to find a better way of doing something, hire a lazy person to do the job and they'll find a workaround. So, as I was saying, no drifting, no cutting corners, no interpreting things their own way. It does precisely what you prompt it to do. Doesn't that sound fantastic? And then, in addition to that, it never sleeps. Your clients in New York, Tokyo, just your international people, They're not sleeping at the same time, as I'm sure you know, and your agent works that night shift so you never have to. And all of that, if that wasn't a big enough thing to put the bow on top, is a fraction of the cost. No salaries, no benefits, no sick days, no onboarding, no asking for pay rises. You get the output of multiple employees of a whole department for a slither of the overhead. And how do they actually work? So, every AI agent runs on what's called a large language model, abbreviated to LLM. You will see a lot of this online, and you probably used one. ChatGPT is one, Claude is another. Think of the LLM as the agent's brain. It reasons, makes decisions, and responds to things it's never seen before. But the brain alone isn't enough, because a genius locked in a room with no phone and no computer isn't very useful. What makes an AI agent powerful is the tools you hand it: your email, calendar, CRM, your spreadsheets, and social media accounts. That's what makes it the powerhouse, because a brain plus tools plus instructions makes your AI agent. But what separates it from a basic automation? Because I'm sure you've heard both of them as AI automations and then agentic workflows. So think of it like this: a calculator executes 1 plus 1 equals 2. Very simple, but an AI agent adapts. If something unexpected comes in, I'm talking an unusual customer question, which is a message that doesn't quite fit the generic template, it figures it out. It reasons through it just like a real person would. That's the breakthrough. That's why it's incredible. And you can see in this diagram here, what makes a working AI agent is the brain, the digital tools, and the instructions, which are your prompts. The combination of a reasoning brain, real world tools, and clear instructions is what transforms a simple chatbot into a fully autonomous AI agent capable of handling complex, multi step tasks. I got that wrong, didn't I? So, anyway, the old way versus the new way, the good way versus the bad way, the tiny way versus the big way. Traditional automation is like a railway track. It's absolutely brilliant as long as the train stays on the rails. But the moment something unexpected happens, I'm talking a question that's half complaint, half general inquiry, or a lead that doesn't quite fit neatly into that qualified or unqualified category, the train completely derails. So, as you can see on this diagram, feast your eyes, because what you're seeing here is true innovation. On the left is traditional automation, and this is how, believe it or not, so many, if not all, okay, I say if not because there are businesses starting to change. There's like 7% that have adapted and changed. But for the 90+% of businesses that still haven't adapted and moved and ran with AI, this is how their business looks. Everything is binary. It breaks with ambiguity. A human is needed. And don't get me wrong, I love people, but I don't want to work 30 hours a day. You know what I mean? I'd rather have an AI agent, which you can see on the right side of the screen, do the heavy lifting for me. And when I say the heavy lifting, let me explain why. It handles grey areas with ease. No going back and forth with multiple people, multiple colleagues, clients, whatever it may be. It reasons through its ambiguity. It adapts to new scenarios, and it self corrects with imperfect inputs. It's truly beautiful. And think of it like this: an AI agent lives in the grey area and it thrives there. They don't need a perfect decision tree. They reason through ambiguity the way a thoughtful person would. Think about what ChatGPT does when you give it a messy, complicated prompt. It doesn't freeze up. It reads the context and gives you something genuinely useful. It's incredible. The same capability, this same capability, can't speak, is now sitting inside the automation workflows, which you can do with ease, I promise you. I'll have future videos coming on how you can do that. So subscribe, stay tuned, because you can really make some money on this, and I want to be that driving force behind your back pockets. Now, 6 reasons this changes everything. First, efficiency. Agents give you the same output as a team of employees, an entire department, all within one agent. Is amazing. So all of that without the payroll, training, sick days, drama. The leverage is absolutely obscene. Tell me a bad side to that. So scalability is the next benefit. When your business grows, the human team hits a ceiling. When agents are placed within your business, you just build more. The workflow doubles, the workload doubles. It's as simple as that. So your team doesn't have to, and it can't. Your team would not be able to cope with that sort of demand. If you were just to get an 300% increase in inbound, could your team handle it? No, but an agent could. You could just duplicate it, add a few more nodes. It's as simple as that. And the lead onto that is adaptability. Traditional automations are absolute glass. They're beautiful unless something changes. Agents are like rubber, they are like liquid. They bend and adjust to new data without shattering. And decision making models, it's fantastic. The level of decision making they can make, sometimes you will sit back in your seat and you will be astonished. It's just for the price too. You would have to pay a consultant many tens of thousands of pounds to implement those sorts of things into your business. This thing can do for, you can get plans for $20 a month up to like 200 plus if you buy more tokens. Anyway, decision making ability. The tasks which used to need human ability, human input, the nuance, the complex, the contextual, are now on the table and up for grabs. That's a revolution in what's actually automatable. 5, accessibility. You don't need to code. Tools like Make, Zapier, Relevant AI, and NA10, which is my personal favorite, have made building agents genuinely accessible. If you can follow a recipe, you can build an agent, and I know you can follow a recipe. So the future is here. The businesses that are quietly winning right now are already running agents in the background. Learning today doesn't put you ahead of the curve. It puts you on the curve, ready to grip onto that bitch. Once it exponentially skyrockets to the moon, you'll be there in your spacesuit, loving life because you learn AI from my channel. Subscribe. So, where do agents actually live within a business? There are 4 main areas of almost any business where agents are already being deployed, and the results are absolutely staggering. So first, we'll start with marketing. And this one is astonishing because each sentence within this concise little paragraph you can take and run and make a business with. So cold outreach, so personalized, the prospect thinks you spent an hour writing it. Lead scraping and qualification happening while you sleep. And content creation pipelines running on autopilot. Each one of those you can take and just make an agency on. It's fantastic. Onboarding. Every new client needs documents, information collected, and a warm welcome. Agents handle all of the admin, making clients feel seen and freeing your time to build relationships. Now, customer service. Agents monitor satisfaction. That's all you need to hear there. It's brilliant. Respond to questions and gather feedback because they carry all the context you give them. I'm talking interactions and client purchase history. And this is what we've been doing actually. Well, I say we've been doing. It's a very small portion of what we've been doing. But what you can do is create a chatbot which has access to the clients. And when I say clients, it would be the customers of your client. If it was an e-com store, for example, their purchase history, what they've looked at, and things like that. And then it nurtures them within the chatbot section if they're asking things with FAQ, along with FAQs. Obviously, that's just fucking generic and basic now. But what I just said about getting into the customer's database and account, that's an addition where you can, I'm not going to go into it on this one. That's going to be another video. So It makes the interactions feel non-robotic and not just canned and out of the box. It's super personalized, super converting too. So as a whole, project management, it can schedule meetings, track deliverables, flagging things that need human attention. So saving 5 minutes a day per client across 10 clients is nearly an hour back every single day. If you're worth $100 of your time, is an hour is $100 every single day. That's 500 a week, 2 grand a month, and what, 25, well, 24 a year. And that's not including the exponential growth that you receive from your time back you can implement and put into your business, thus increasing your hourly rate. So it's exponential. Does that make sense? I may have just went over that briefly, but the AI still stays the same. The agent still stays the same price. But because you now have an hour back, you can increase your own leverage and then increase your own time, your hourly rate, and then it becomes exponentially so much more valuable. You pitch that to a client and see what they say. They'll fucking grab your hand off for that contract that you have. So, with all that being said, it leads us to the best time to start is today. And that's the end of it, because AI agents aren't a trend. They're not a toy. They are the single biggest shift happening in businesses today. It's changing how they operate. And I'm sure many of us have seen it. And the window to get in early is still there. If you move today, you can be among the first movers to benefit. And the first mover advantage is a real thing. So before you leave, understand you don't need special skills. You don't need a computer science degree. You know machine learning knowledge. You just need to be curious enough to start and willing to put in the time to learn how to build these things. It's once you get knuckle deep in there, it's life changing. Excuse me. What you build compounds. The people who learn to build agents now aren't just learning skills. They're building businesses, income streams, and client relationships that will nearly be impossible to replicate in 3 years from now when everyone finally catches up. So please, 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 please start simple and build fast. Pick one repetitive task in your business, your life, your friend's business, your friend's life, whatever it may be, and build it within an agent this week. That's it. The rest follows naturally. You will have some momentum Mother Nature would fear. So understand that the best time to plant a tree, we've all heard this one, was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. But for AI agents, today might literally be the best time. So don't waste it. And before you go and conquer the world, please take a moment to subscribe, because I have so much more content coming out where you can learn to, well, the main part is you can learn to make this your income. So I'll see you later, my friends.